just arrived to the beach where the hatchery is and where we're going to release some baby turtles. I'm excited. Are you excited?
Liberación de tortugas, which is just Spanish way of saying liberate the turtles. Very excited. Ooh, that one. You're really trying to climb up. All these little white balls are spots where there are more baby turtles in the ground, hatching from the eggs that they will dig up soon and then release them into the ocean. Oh.
¿Ya tienen pensados los nombres para las tortugas?
It's pretty strong. Look at it flapping.
Ready to release some baby turtles. Look at how cute they are.
Going home, babies. Going home. I will call this one Timmy. Look at him go to freedom.
You're a free little one.
Also licking. I hope they make it because you can already see the seagulls circling. So our guy just got a stick that he actually uses to, well, not hit the seagulls, but lightly swing towards them to discourage them from coming closer. Once they see the ocean, they all know which way to go, except for this one. He didn't know.
Oh no, he's
going
back.
It's the third time I'm gonna turn him. Careful not to step on any other baby turtles.
Timmy is a bit special and he needs some extra help.
This is not Timmy. Timmy is my turtle. He was the first to make it to the water. This is Jimmy, his slow brother. But Jimmy right on the water and he's still not sure he wants to go in.
So the baby turtles we released are actually the biggest turtle kind in the world. They are the leatherback turtles. And the ones we released, if they make it, they come back in 10 years to lay their eggs here to make new baby turtles.
When we arrived, we were the only ones here, but now it's not every day you get to save lives, but today we did. And it's all thanks to Naik, because initially we were going to go with another tour company and they cancelled and then they couldn't book us again, but he secretly surprised me with a turtle release. It's the best way to surprise me.
I scored some brownie points there.
Good morning, and a very early morning. Got up at 6:30 today because we are going whale and dolphin hunting. Well, not hunting, just watching. We are on our way from the hostel to the dive center right now. The light is really beautiful this time of day, but you wouldn't know because we're usually not up this time of day. Wow. Wow. Oh. It's huge.
2 adults and 1 baby. Adesso this is the male. We were just speaking that there was not many around. Yeah. Down. Other one down also.
Yeah, it's a big school all around.
Wow.
It was a very successful whale watching tour. I think we saw at least 10 to 15 different whales.
Yeah.
Oh, so amazing.
It was amazing. But the water was too murky to actually go in.
It was a bit of a pity, but we got to saw it from above the water and
It was super cool.
oh, indescribable.
And we're going to go back to the hostel and relax for a little bit. Oh, cute. Little puppy. Oh, oh, little cutie. Oh. Beautiful sunset here on the beach. Have a cute little doggo, keep us company.
There's a lot of people just enjoying the sunset here on the beach. Some people playing some volleyball and some people in the water, which looks really rough. It's like a bit of a wild water ride, but then for real.
Yeah.
So now we know why this town is really famous for being a surfer hotspot. We just spotted a nice cocktail bar here, so let's go and have a look and maybe have a taste. Today was a really good day. We had to get up early in the morning, but we saw whales and we got to snorkel with dolphins. It was really cool. And we chilled a bit in the hammock. We watched the sunset and now it's cocktail o'clock, so what else do you need?
We are taking the bus out of Puerto Escondido today. We are going to San Cristobal de las Casas and it's going to be a long bus drive.
We're going to take the night bus. It will be a bit more than 12 hours, so it will be a very long drive.
Yes.
But our next video will be how to survive a night bus. So if you're ever going to take a night bus, you'll have some very useful tips for you.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more of our travels and the bus video. And after that, we're going to San Cristobal, Palenque, and then to Guatemala. Finally, after almost 10 weeks in Mexico. So yeah, hopefully see you soon. Bye.
Bye.